My dad's thing was barbecue. His pork barbecue with the Trisha spin, adding some sweetness of peaches. And we're just gonna get some pork shoulder and we're gonna sear the pork on all sides. So once we put this in the oven, it's gonna slow cook for several hours. I think if you are raised in Georgia, you must cook with peaches. You must can peaches, you must pick peaches, you must be a Georgia peach. Starter has the tomato base, it has onions, it also, of course, has the peaches, which is a really bright sweet. And then it has molasses, which is that real deep sweet. Yeah, it's that simple. I just find that right in the pan, we're just gonna shred it. Oh my goodness, look at that. This is so good. I love something that can taste this good that wasn't hard to make. And your friends don't have to know that it wasn't hard. I take some Dijon mustard. You definitely want to err on the side of more. I like to put a little bit of slaw on top. And then pickles. Doesn't this look incredible? It's that simple. So if you're coming to my house, we are having pulled pork barbecue sandwiches. It couldn't be any easier than this. Thank you, Williams Sonoma. You've just made this easier for everybody. I'm gonna get these sandwiches on the table. Let's eat.